Welcome to another episode of Behind the Shades. It's your host, Terraine, and today I want to talk to the men today. Men, I hear you, I see you, and I know your struggles. I want to highlight one thing that is keeping a lot of men back. That is stunting our dreams and preventing our growth, and that is other men who complain a lot. And by a lot, I mean that these men complain and complain and they refuse to change. They will ignore and not accept any solution you bring to them because they rather be stuck in a victim mindset. And a victim mindset is dangerous for many reasons, but in a lot of ways it's unproductive. What do I mean? Men in general pride themselves on conflict resolution and problem solving. But these men who complain, who refuse to change, these men, their inability to change becomes your problem to solve. They have a conflict and you have a resolution. Or, and this is the trick, you think you have a resolution. No amount of solutions that you can come up with will ever solve their conflict. Why is that? I am so glad that you asked. You solve Monday's conflict and Tuesday they have another one. The sun will not rise without lighting up another problem for you to solve. Because they're not here to solve their own problems. They are the ex-girlfriend that you couldn't satisfy. It doesn't matter how much effort you put in. The results are still the same. And we've all heard those words from that person we can't satisfy. It was all right. It was all right. C plus for effort. You passed, but it's not anything to brag about. Those men have become that in your life. And when you start to address it, when you start to confront it, when you start to discuss it, just like that ex-girlfriend that you couldn't satisfy, they will break up with you. They will dump you, and when they dump you, they will leave you wanting. They'll leave you confused. They'll leave you thinking you were the problem. Sounds familiar? It sounds exactly like every other breakup out there. But you don't view it that way, right? You view it as you're being a good friend. You're being loyal to this person. But strange enough, they weren't loyal to you. They didn't listen to what you had to say. They were only keeping you around so you could provide free therapy. They wanted you to listen with your mouth closed. They didn't want to hear anything from you because the minute that these type of men who complain a lot, and how do they complain? They blame women. Women are their number one target. Every issue they have is because of a woman. I can't get married because women are like this. Gold diggers. They only want men who are 6 feet tall, 6 inches, six figures. They blame and they blame and they blame because women are an easy target for them. They'll blame them and then use them. And then blame them some more. And then use them some more. You ever come across that guy whose friends are predominantly women and majority of them are single and the majority of them are in their masculine energy? They're the ones who are providing a safe and secure place for him because he's unable to do so? That is that type of man. These friends are dangerous. They will hinder your growth. They will dampen your goals. They will darken your perspective on life. They are a vortex of uncertainty, chaos, and dysfunction that will suck you in and destroy your own life. We all have that friend, right, where we spent an unusual amount of time and energy catering to them. Every time they call, we answer their phone. Every time they message, we answer their texts. Every time they need something, and they always need something, we're there for them. But ask yourself this question. This is a very important question that every man should ask themselves when it comes to their friends, especially other men. How is this person making your life better? How is this person helping you to achieve your goals? How is this person helping you to grow into the person that you want to grow into?